In today's tutorial, we are going to talk about documents, questionnaires, and contracts. To add a new document, you'll hit New Document, and you can select the document from your computer. The document does need to be under 20 megabytes. For questionnaires, you'll click on Questionnaires. You can see all your questionnaires there. Hit Questionnaire, and then we're going to name this Senior Questionnaire. And when you're ready, you can just drag and drop the fields over. So we have things like first name and last name for text fields. And then you can also map these back to the client's profile. So if you have their last name, you can map that to their last name. Same thing with first name. You can also do this with your email address, phone number, and address. Some other things we offer too are the checkbox, the radio buttons. When you're done, you'll hit save. The next one will be contracts. You can see you just hit new contract, type in the name of your contract. If you do weddings or have seniors, you can require 2 contact signatures. And then you'll start adding to the body of the contract. Once you are done, you'll simply click save. Now, to send a contract, we need to make sure that our contract signature is in place. We'll go up to My Studio, scroll all the way down to where it says contract signature, type in your name, sign your signature, and hit save. And now you're ready to send contracts.